Hey, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Supreme Nige here. I'm back at it again with a brand new video. Today, we're just got a small little unboxing. We got another sneaker pickup to show you guys, and then we will eventually show you guys a on-feet view of this shoe. And then we also have a small little package here from our last week of Supreme, week 7 I believe it was. We just got a couple hats. We'll take a look at that real quick to show you guys. It's gonna be a little quick unboxing here, so not that long, so definitely like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated, and let's just jump right on to the unboxing. All right, so the first one here, I'm just gonna unbox the one from Supreme real quick. We got these 2 hats in a multi-cart with we got 2 regular box logos in that. First piece of this package is gonna be this Gonz logo beanie in black right there. Nothing too special. I'm gonna be holding that on till next winter. And then we also have this reflective patch boonie. As you can see right here, here's the reflective patch, just says Supreme. Got it in black, medium, large. Not gonna be for personal again. Gonna be holding on and then eventually selling. Then we got our Supreme box cutter right here. We're about to open this up. The last major sneaker drop was probably these Jordan Raging Bull 5s. So I did manage to catch a W on JD Sports on the online website. So let's go ahead and unbox here for you guys. Easily open this up with the Supreme box cutter. Woo! Almost fell. Oh yeah, you guys already know by the look at the box what it is. Boom. We got it. The Air Jordan 5 Raging Bull in the varsity red colorway. There we go. Just there's the sizing tag, just in case if you guys want to take a look. So we're just going to take a quick look at this with you guys right now, and then I'm going to go ahead and throw them on feet, and then we'll take an on feet view, and then that'll probably be the end of the video. So let's take a quick view these. Woo! The smell off these, they're just crazy. You already know these are freaking dead stock. Woo! That smell. These have a strong, nice, brand new smell. But here we are, Jordan 5 Raging Bull. These have not released since 2009. All the OG sneakerheads have been waiting a long time to get this sneaker. I'm personally probably going to end up keeping it in the collection since it is OG colorway. I always like to keep the OG colorways in the collection. It has this 3M reflective tab right here. I don't know if you guys can see that well, maybe a little bit. Actually, yeah, you guys can see it with the light behind it. Yeah, that's the Jordan 5 Raging Bull. Let's go ahead and take a little bit closer look. All right, so starting off here, we have the embroidered N23. Then moving on, they did not do the Nike Air. Instead, they just did an embroidered Jumpman right there. Oh, why is this not in focus? Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. There we go. Embroidered Jumpman in the back. We have this plastic rib caging right there. I think on the 2009 pair, these were kind of like a transparent red instead of just this white or transparent kind of white thing. Same thing goes on the tongue right there. A little bit closer look at this tongue, 3M reflective right here. And then it has an embroidered black Jumpman. Clear white lace lock right there. Here, going on to the bottom, we have the red Jumpman, if you guys can see that. I think it's red. Yeah, it looks pretty red through the transparent sole. It has kind of like a blue transparent sole. It has the Jordan right there. Of course, you have the blooded out shark teeth right there. Very nice. I like that. It's a very nice touch. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on foot real quick, and we'll take a look at that real fast, and then that'll be the end of the video. We'll be back.
Yeah, wow, where we at now? I don't really got no time to play around. Wow, making beats up in my playground. Since I was a kid, I knew I always had to make sound. Wow. Yeah, 2K19, swear to God I'm taking over 19. Hey, back, hit a $250,000 when it's here, pretty chilly. I've been trying to find me
guys, but yeah, that's it for this unboxing. Overall, these shoes, very nice and comfy, very fire. As you see, I got them all laced up for me. That's how I usually lace them. I'm probably actually gonna experiment a little bit with the lace lock system, because when I walk, kind of sometimes it gets like flipped around backwards, kind of like that. Or like, hopefully you guys were able to get your hands on one if you were wanting one for personal. I'm definitely going to be keeping this in the personal collection. I do wish this suede was a little bit better quality, but I guess it's supposed to be more of a rough suede. But still, overall, the quality control on this shoe was very nice. Stitching done very well. Not too many glue stains or many scuffs or anything on this shoe. They did a very nice job. So there we are. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely smash that like button if you did, and if you are new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing. That would be much appreciated and help me grow in the future. And as always, guys, stay hyped, stay up, peace.
Yeah, my presence is my being, yeah, stop it, I'm on it, I see it, my options, I flip it and profit, I'm master, no novice, I'm just being honest, cause I always progress, your prime is my worst shit and my worst shit your best.